Hi, my fellow YouTubers, my subscribers, learners, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Patty. So I wanted us to put into practice the theory I just gave you, which is on assets, liabilities, debits, credits, all of that. So this is not my work. It's good to put disclaimers so that you don't get in trouble with the law, and you also credit those who must receive due respect. Okay, this is not my, sorry about that, I just had to breathe. This is not my work. This is by New Eras. This control test was published and created by New Era. I think it's the producers for the accounting textbooks that we use, New Era Accounting. So they did this control test. So I just want us to test knowledge. So on the concepts and a little bit of theory. Okay, so the first one, it's match column A to column B. So matching is always about concepts. So this is a grade 10 control test. So matching is about theory and concepts most of the times. It's really about calculations. I'd like to see that one with calculations. Okay, so here it says 1.1 liabilities. So it means you must match it to the explanation in column B. So can you guess which one is the most appropriate? I think C is the most appropriate. Yay, you guessed it. Fixed assets, which is 1.12. I think E is the most appropriate. Yes, debtors. I think D is the most appropriate. Accounting equation. I think A is the most appropriate. Owner's equity. I think B is the most appropriate. So you see, once you go through theory, this becomes so easy. You can't even spend, it's 5 marks. So you should spend 2.5 to 3 minutes in this question. Okay, so don't mind the noise in the background. I'm recording this during the day, so yeah, people are awake. Okay, 1.21. It says choose the most appropriate word that complete each statement. Below. So the first one, it says dash 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 suppliers that sell goods on account to businesses. I think creditors is the most appropriate. 1.22, a bank overdraft is an example of a current liability. I think it's the most appropriate. Dash dash is a statement that shows the financial position of a business. I think the balance sheet. 1.24, a fixed deposit is an example of a, can be an example of a current asset if it's short term. If it's long term, it can be an example of investment. So any of the two, I would mark you right. 1.25, the statement that shows whether the business has made profit or loss, it's the income statement. So guys, give yourselves a round of applause. This should be easy. So I'm going to skip 1.3 because I need to make a YouTube video dealing about how to calculate gross profit and profit markup and selling price. Because students really struggle with that. So I'm hoping I do it shortly. So, okay, I think let me end this video here because the other one is going to be dealing with practicals. So subscribe, please share, and I'm hoping I'm going to find other theory questions where we can practice, and then you can improve your accounting vocabulary. Goodbye.